Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery health on Ideapad C340 laptop. So to check the battery health, we'll first have to create a battery health report. To do that, you just have to press Windows and R buttons, a combination of Windows and R, and then you'll see a program, a run program like this, and here you'll have to input CMD and press OK. You will see this console right here, and to create the report you'll have to input power cfg /battery report like this. Now once you typed it in, press enter, and as you can see, battery life report was saved to this file path. We can simply copy it like that up to this point. So select it, press Ctrl C, then close the console, open File Explorer, left click right here, and then press Ctrl V, and this way we will be transferred right to the file location. And as you can see here is our report. Here is the brief information about our laptop. It doesn't look interesting for us right now. Installed batteries. So here we can see the information about your battery. So it's also the brief, but it's the main thing that we came here for. We can also see the information about recent usage of the battery, like the state of our PC, source of charging and capacity remaining throughout the days, the recent days. And also you can see all sorts of different informations that you might be as well interested in. But the main thing that interests us is the design capacity compared to full charge capacity. So design capacity is the primary capacity of our laptop, which used to be 45,000 megawatts hour, and the full charge capacity is so this is the capacity that we have right now. Is it's significantly lower, which means that our battery is has gone slightly worn over time. So it's 30,510 megawatts an hour, and so that means that our battery works significantly worse than it used to be, and we might as well consider replacing it. And basically that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.